Hi guys, today is a very exciting day. Ich bin wieder zurück. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be flying back to Switzerland and I will be taking guys with me. This video is also for everyone na first time mag-travel internationally. Gagawa ko ng step-by-step guide to navigate the airport and also if you're may layover ka. So let's go. Step 1. Once you arrive at the airport, you need to check your flight number sa screen to see kung saan counter ka mag-check-in. Once nasa counter ka na, just present your passport, grab your check-in baggage, and ibibigay na sa'yo yung boarding pass mo. Also, don't forget to pay your travel tax online to save you time sa pagpila sa airport. Step 2. Ang pinaka-exciting na part, you will now have to proceed sa immigration. Step 3. Just clear the security and look for your boarding gate number. I already passed through the immigration and security. And to tell you guys, security check yung pinaka-stressful na part dito sa airport. Kailangan mo tanggalin lahat. If may laptop ka sa bag mo, kailangan mo tanggalin. Kailangan mo tanggalin yung sapatos mo. Sobrang pawis ako kanina habang inaayos ko yung mga gamit ko pabalik. It's already 2 p.m. or 3. 7 pa yung flight ko. So, kakain muna ako since hindi pa ako nag-breakfast and lunch. Dito na lang ako kakain. Step 5. Go to your assigned boarding gate and wait for the boarding announcement. Nasa boarding gate na ako. I'm just waiting for the boarding time. Let's talk about the immigration. So, pipila ka na sa immigration. Bago ka pumasok, kailangan mo ipakita yung passport mo, boarding pass. Prepare mo yung documents kung necessary. Your first time, mas maganda na to prepare all the documents. So, yung first time ko, hinanapan din ako ng HMO card ko. Once nasa IO ka na, just answer them confidently. Ang tinanong lang sa akin, anong gagawin ko doon? May bibisitahin ba ako doon? Anong work ko? And kailan ako babalik? Isang tanong, isang sagot lang talaga para wala na silang mga follow-up questions. So guys, I just boarded the plane. This is what they have here para sa economy class. They have this, eye mask, earplugs, there's hand cream. I'm already here sa Abu Dhabi for my layover and security check talaga yung pinaka-nakaka-stress na part dito sa airport. Punta na ako sa gate ko since I only have 1.5 hour layover. And ganda ng airport dito sa Abu Dhabi. Very modern. So, nahanap ko na yung boarding gate ko and nakapagpalit na rin ako. Immigration and sobrang smooth lang. Kunti lang yung mga tinanong sa akin. Like, how many days ako mag-stay, anong address, sinong bibisitahin ko. And Tita Daniel's already waiting for me. I'm so excited. Minutes pa bago yung train namin sa Basel. And ito na yung coffee na pinaka-antay ko dahil hindi nga ako nakapagkape sa Abu Dhabi.
Gleis 31, Klasse Sektor.
course, huh?
Yeah, it's
Lucky.
really nice. Hello, Basil. One more ride and we'll be home. Naaamoy ko na agad yung amoy ng dahon. Ito yung paborito kong street.
No tourists
No,
anymore.
I'm not tourist. Manifesting.
Citizen.
So look at this.
Show me the city, please. Show me where.
Ito pa din yung hindi ko makasanayan dito. Yung amoy ng anong alam nyo na. Kasi legal sa kanila yun. Aamoy nyo na lang talaga siya randomly sa mga street. Kahit tirik yung araw.